The Apple Card was first introduced by Apple in 2019. And one of its notable features was the physical card being made from titanium. Then we got the titanium Apple Watch last September. And now we hear rumors that the iPhone is going to be made from titanium. And it doesn't stop there, with lots of other cool gadgets, such as the Oura ring, all offering models made out of titanium. And it's easy to see why. Titanium is half the weight of steel, 4 times as strong and doesn't leave fingerprints. The reason I mention this is because at the start of 2023 the total titanium industry was worth around $28.6 billion. Compared to the entire metals industry valued at $11.2 trillion. Imagine what a game changer it would be if Apple started manufacturing some of their 200 million plus iPhones they sell each year out of titanium. The investor in me saw this and it got me thinking, how can I capitalize on this titanium trend? My first reaction was to look at the different titanium ore miners. But then I figured that the potential here isn't in the titanium itself because it's relatively cheap. The real opportunity here is in the manufacturing. This is because any company can extract the ore from the ground. But very few businesses have the R&D or know how to cut the titanium ore into a usable shape. So, to help me find a company and begin to narrow down my research, I began searching through patent data filed by companies. This led me to a company called Nano, a 3D printing and additive manufacturing business with a list of patents in this space, who have also recently acquired 2 other companies, Admatech and Formatech, that specialize in metal, more specifically, titanium molding. This is the exact type of enterprise that a company like Apple would need to begin the mass production of titanium alloy frames for their iPhones. If the Apple iPhone rumors are true and they start producing phones out of titanium, Nano could be a major beneficiary of the titanium demand boom that would likely follow. Also, what is interesting, despite Nano having over $1 billion in cash and no debts, at the current share price, they are valued at $756 million. That's 25% lower than its paper value. So, with all of this happening, I will definitely be keeping an eye on Nano. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.